And see, this is the goat tripe, and how to clean the goat tripe. How to clean the goat tripe, I'll tell you soon. How it is cleaned. I have put lemon in that water, okay, and let the it get boiled. And how to clean it, very clean, okay. Soon I am cleaning this, okay. Soon I am cleaning this. Huh? Putting this in hot water. Putting this in hot water. Okay. And see this. See this. करना चाहिए. See this cleaned. Everything is clean, neat, and I have cleaned this. Okay, now I will prepare. Okay, how to clean I will show you. Show you.